So even though we have very little waste with our goat feeders, that's on another video, uh, there's still some, and once it's in the very bottom of the feeders, the little short bits, I think they can sense it's some saliva or something from their own mouths or the other goats, and they won't touch the stuff at the very bottom. Well, that is if they know you're going to change it out soon. Or any that does drop, that little bit of waste. So my husband bundled it up and brought it up here, and there was also a bunch of crickets and other creepy crawlies in there, and they're having a good time hunting it out. See how they're just moving it around? Anything that moves, they go for it. And I did initially try to use this as bedding in their nesting boxes, and they ate a lot of it. So I'm expecting that they're going to eat, like Goldie right there is. They're going to eat a lot of this, so this will be gone too. But for now, it was just put in, and they're finding all sorts of goodies. And chickens, I think all animals, they want to be entertained. They want to be doing something. Hey, girl. I can't pet the chickens anymore, even if they come up and they do their little hunkering down, because the Roo gets very upset, and he's been getting faster and faster about getting on the girls, like they're being unfaithful to him. Yeah. But he's a good rooster. He's not trying to attack anybody. He's not overly aggressive with any of the girls, because we've had roosters before, and having over a dozen hens, and they'll still pick one hen or two, and you'll see that they just get all tore up and no feathers on their backs from the rooster just being too aggressive with those. And he won't, if I bring a bucket of goodies out, he kind of watches over them. He won't sit there, and he doesn't get in the way. And some roosters will. They'll push the girls out of the way and get to the goodies themselves. Hey. She's one of the youngest ones, and she's laying green eggs, I'm pretty sure. You can tell by the ear tufts. But we got some black hens that are from a black sex-link hen that don't have tufts, and I think she's laying green eggs also. So just something interesting. Anything different, and they're just all over it. And of course, I'm out here watching them. Thought I'd share. I still haven't taken down the other coop down yet. Other things have come up, and maybe I'll get to it this week. But got a ladies' tea at church that I'm also focusing on and trying to get ready for. And some badly needed things done inside that I've neglected. Hey! Yeah, those are the two that comes up and do their little things, so I can pet them. Hey. Yeah, the more time you spend out here, I'm more set up seats. Chairs, maybe a table. And even though this is a smaller area than the other run was, this isn't getting as nasty as the other one, because I think the soil can take it in, and their manure is not just sitting on top. It would actually go into the ground with the rains, and it dries faster. It doesn't, there's no pooling in here. And I've got a support up there until I get the metal roof on that part. But I wanted something that they could also have shade. It's more for shade than water. And, keep them dry. Because they'll come out here on this side when it's raining. They know how to get out of the rain, but they like it too. And there's something about this. If you have health problems, high stress, if you can just manage to come and just sit and watch these creatures, and you'll start seeing the varying personalities, and you can tell who's more the boss. And even though Little Red is still limping, she's still higher up on the pecking order than some of the new chicks that aren't a year old yet. Almost. So we're getting anywhere from 6 to 10 eggs every day. I pickled some last week. They should be ready at the end of this week. And if one of them goes broody, I may put some of those eggs under and see what happens, and see if we get some silky crosses into this. Oops, yeah, she found a little something, some beetle. I think their visual acuity is based on movement. That's Big Red. And she's not laying anymore. But she tries. She takes up the nesting box. Anyway, I thought I'd share this little peaceful moment. Thanks for watching.